What's happening, everybody? My name is Matt and welcome back to the channel. Today, folks, we got 4 NFTs I think you guys would love. Obviously, it's very tough right now with the bear market to find new projects that are launching and going to be successful, but we're trying our best. Before we do anything, guys, do yourselves a quick favor. Join the free Discord down below, guys. There's tons of awesome stuff over there, including some whitelist access going on all the time. Take it 30 seconds, link down below in the description. All right, so our first project here is called TrophyHunters, which are evolution playing cards and completely on-chain. So the mint date is not available yet, but you guys can see they have a little explainer video here going over everything, and I do implore you to watch that. But basically, there is a completely decentralized contest, a 200 Ethereum reward fund, and 203 winners. So definitely trying to incentivize people to participate in their game, which is always good. And again, they've amassed over 120,000 followers, which is definitely no joke. So basically, when we take a look at their website here, they talk a little bit about how it all works. So this is an exclusive collection of combinable NFTs, and the utility of the collection is on-chain contests backed by smart contracts. Now, for those that might not know what that is, that's actually really cool. So all of this is being documented on-chain. This isn't done through Discord or something like that, or Twitter, and there's nothing wrong with that, but it's very nice to see some concrete evidence of everything being done. So definitely do love to see that they are actually using cryptocurrency as a way to actually track all of these different contests with smart contracts. So each contest has its own features and entrance barriers. So we have a total of around 5,700 cards, 430 cards with each character on them, 12 different characters, and 1,500 plus hand-drawn trades. And again, they do have a video here that explains a little bit more about how that all works, but they basically have a giant reward fund like I talked about, where you mint the cards, then you mint the trophy combination NFT, and you win and get a reward. Really innovative looking stuff. I do love what these guys have going on here, and again, just like I talked about in layman's terms, they do elaborate on it a little bit better. This is, again, completely decentralized. So they are within the Ethereum blockchain, and they are on smart contracts. So you can't just go and edit it after and say, oh yeah, this guy actually won when he didn't. I mean, this is a very nice way to prevent cheating. And of course, they say impossible to cheat. So awesome stuff here from TrophyHunters. They were nice enough to give me some whitelist spots, guys, to give out to the Discord, the Patreon, all of that. Again, guys, link down below in the description. Make sure you're over there, my Twitter, all the different places I'm going to be giving out some whitelist spots. But before we go any further, do you like NFT whitelists? Because if you do, the Patreon down below is the place for you. I have worked tirelessly to make the Patreon one of the best places you guys could be for NFTs. For only $10 a month, we have an entire team dedicated to finding you whitelists. You guys also get one-on-one access to me, group coaching calls, and so much more. To be honest, guys, it is a steal for the price it's at. If you're looking to take your NFT game to the next level, you guys have to check out the Patreon down below in the description. The next project I wanted to show you guys here is called Memeland, which is probably, in my opinion, the largest NFT drop we might be seeing in the very near future. So they are to the sea and to the moon. The potatoes free mint is coming soon. So again, definitely based on the surface, this is a very meme project, and they don't hide that. They got 450,000 followers. I don't think they have much else to prove out there, but when we take a look, you guys can see, got some artwork here, some GIFs, and here is the 9gags Memetaverse. So founded in 2008, 9gags mission is to make the world happier, and I've actually heard of 9gag. I think most people have. They're an extremely large group, and again, backed by 500 startups, True Ventures, all these different pretty reputable looking groups here that are backing this project. So again, they say not a JPEG. Memeland Captains is the main collection of Memeland. It is a collection of 9,999 utility-enabled profile pictures. Each captain unlocks some of the meme token, private membership, exclusive access to the creator NFT marketplace, IRL events, upcoming Memeland and 9gag drops, and more. Now, again, not every project can pull this off with a private club membership. A lot of times that basically means junk, but with a project like this that is being backed by some incredibly large people, I mean, they got Gary Vee involved, they got plenty of very large investors. Kevin Rose, who founded Moonbirds, which, I mean, hello, that's insane. Kevma here from Hypebeast, Naval, I mean, just a ridiculously large group of people. So they can pull this off. Most projects out there can't. So they are basically going to be working with the meme token here. Don't know how they will support this token or grow this token. You know, that's definitely up to interpretation and to see what they're going to do with it, but they don't believe in roadmaps like they say here. But first, you are the real MVP. Talk a little bit about a speech here from Kevin Durant, which inspired their first collection, You the Real MVP, and then the Potatoes is their free collection, which is coming out very soon. So again, just an incredibly dynamic group of people here. I really wouldn't worry about whether or not this project will go up in value, because I think with Gary Vee, with Kevin Rose, with all these giant people involved, yeah, it's pretty much going to go up. So definitely do try, if possible, to get on this whitelist. I imagine it is extremely hard. I don't even know how you would go about doing that, but if you could, I would imagine it's probably worth it. The next project here is called SickApeSociety. This is an NFT game, and they are a utility-based meta jungle. We're sick of rug pulls, that's why we don't give false promises and are prepared before our big jump. The Discord right now is private. So SickApeSociety here with 150,000 followers on Twitter. That is massive, and they were actually nice enough to give me some whitelist spots as well for you guys. So again, definitely be checking the Discord down below, the Patreon down below, and the Twitter, because there'll be spots on all of those places. So when we take a look at their site here, you guys can see SickApeSociety are 4,700 unique and randomly generated to the avatars for your gaming experience. So they talk a little bit about a secret community of 4,700 apes that live in the ERC-721A metaverse jungle. They stick together and try to survive in the era of scams and rug pulls. You can mint it there and participate in a play-to-earn game to earn Liana tokens and breed baby Sick Ape and 3D Sick Ape with them. So another breeding project, which is cool to see. We don't see that many of these anymore, and I do think they were very underutilized at the time. You know, a lot of projects that could have done breeding properly would have been very successful. So definitely looking to see what these guys are able to pull off with that. Great utilities and long-term ambitions. Started working on a roadmap before the launch here, not here to give false promises. So here is their roadmap and what they plan on doing. So of course they start with their mint with 1,600 NFTs in the pre-sale for 0.05 Ethereum, and then 1,600 in the public sale for 0.7, and then 1,500 free mints for OG members that minted at least one FT during either of them. So that's very cool. Then they talk about the Liana token. All holders will be able to compete in the wild jump play to earn game to earn more of the Liana token. Then they'll be airdropping some of it, and then they have breeding here, which of course will be in Liana. So hoping to get some level of deflation on the token, which is always good. Then we got some 3D apes here, metaverse coming, some buying some metaverse land here for the community, and all of that. So definitely nice to see full team here with their .eth addresses here. Yeah, this project just looks to be like a very charming throwback to a lot of very good projects back in like early, you know, Ethereum Solana days, maybe in like, you know, September, October, November of last year. And again, I definitely do think these guys can pull it off given the amount of support they've gotten so far. So definitely great looking project here at Sick Ape. And again, if you guys would like to get whitelist for that, make sure to check out the stuff down below in the description. And the final project here for the video today is called Lunar Project. Now, more important than the art here, which by the way does look nice, but more important than the art, what I love about this project is who it is by. So this is actually by the Open DAO, and if you take a look at their Twitter, this may look familiar. Well, they actually had a whole thing with the SOS airdrop. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it was some of the most free money anybody had ever earned. And this was basically designed to get people to make money back from their Ethereum fees. So if you spent fees on, say, LooksRare or on, say, OpenSea, you would have gotten some money back here from the Open DAO. So knowing who's behind this is actually very important. And again, we don't have a whole lot of information behind it, but the art does look nice. They have a Discord there at the top, 170,000 followers, so definitely pretty cool to see. But again, most importantly, guys, the group behind this project is really what matters. And the art here is by Zygor, which again, definitely does look to be pretty legit. So definitely nice to see. With that being said, guys, thank you all so much for watching the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out everything down below in the description, guys. Again, the Patreon, there's tons of awesome stuff being given out every single day over on the Patreon and the private Discord for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, as well as the free Discord and the Twitter down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Matt. See you all in the next one. Peace.